All right, y'all, I got a nice one for y'all. 2019 Infiniti Q50 with a 3.0 in it. Look at that color though, y'all. Look at that color. Shit nice. 2019 John. What size is the wheels? Let's check out the wheels real quick. 225, 50, 18. 18s. Y'all see I ain't gotta go too big for it to look nice. Like those 18s is perfect. Got that blue and black. Is that blue? I don't know, it look blue. But I'm sure that's black though. Check the grill out. That shit clean. They making these cars look more sportier and sportier every day. Check the lights out. Yeah, I like to show y'all cars in case, you know, if y'all want to check something out like this, you know, you might get a first look here on Philly D's channel. You know what I mean? Just a quick, you know, quick look. Ain't nothing. I'm not a review specialist or nothing, but got the dual tips, the dual exhaust right there. Let's see if the door open on this jump. Check the back out real quick. Back interior, it's clean, nice. I already got the hood popped for y'all. Let's check the engine out real quick. I got to do an oil change, wheel alignment, and he wants a tune-up. So I think it's only like 40,000 miles on it, but there y'all go. Twin turbo V6. These things are pretty quick, man. Out the box. The 3.0 take 0W20 oil. Most newer cars do. So I got to change the oil on that when I get back. But there you go, V6 twin turbo. It's clean under there. Nice. Check the grill out again. It's got fog lights on it. Real nice, y'all, real nice. Let's check the inside out real quick. Yeah, you see, keep it clean, keep it clean. That's a nice joint, so you won't drop your cigarettes, your coins, or whatever you got in your pockets down there. You go to, you know what I mean? Center console, HVAC, everything is touch screen. Ah, real nice. 44,000 miles on it. See if I can hear the exhaust on it. Ew, that should have been bonus footage. I don't know, I think he's stock though. Stock on the exhaust. Yeah, push the start, John. You go to key fob, typical Nissan. They ain't changed this shit in 20 years. Yeah, there go all your drive modes, whatever they are. I'm not too sure, and I ain't pressing no buttons. Yeah, traction control, all your good stuff, man. But yeah, if y'all liked it, you know, like the video, and look at that. That is nice though, you know. Infinity touch with the little wood grain. But yeah, comment below if y'all like or want to see any cars, you know, and if I come across it, I'll, you know, make sure I take a little video for y'all, a little review. But yeah, thanks for stopping by, checking out Philly D's channel, and I catch you on the next one. All right, guys, update. So I actually ended up doing lowering springs on this car all the way around, alongside the tune up, the oil change, and the wheel alignment. So just wanted to give y'all an update. If I can get a quick test drive with this, I can show y'all what it looked like before and after. But if I don't, you know, if you guys liked it, just, you know, like, share, and subscribe. But hopefully I can give y'all a good look at what it looked like lowered. Otherwise, I'll catch y'all on the next one. All right, y'all, I'm gonna let y'all check it out with the lowering springs. Showing pretty clean, y'all. Y'all can compare this clip with the last clip to see the difference. But if y'all want one of these cars and y'all want to see what it looked like lowered, there you go. And that's a wrap, by the way. That's not the original color. It's wrapped. But that joint clean though. Give you another look from the side. John, nice, right? Yeah, if y'all like the car and like the video, comment and share it. Subscribe. Yep, I'll check y'all on the next one.